Okay, so unfortunately my SD card just ran out of space, so I didn't get the whole unboxing. But as you can see, these are grills for the Audi. They are for the Ultrasport bumper because I changed. I'm currently redoing a used Ultrasport bumper and switching it out for the Sportec one. And they look online where I bought these from. It said these are genuine Audi grills, which they look like, and from the packaging and labels, I'm pretty sure they are. If not, they look pretty good quality. So I got these from LLL Parts, which is somewhere in Europe. I don't know exactly. I can't remember the name of the country. But these total costed me, I think it was 375 Canadian shipped to my door, so that is significantly less than anywhere else I could find it. This grill on ECS Tuning, just this one, the lower one, is I think around 300 US, which is over 400 for me in Canada, and these grills are 150 US. So this is way, way, way cheaper than ECS Tuning, and even on eBay I can find them cheaper than this. So I'll put the link in the description. So if anybody needs a set, they can get it for a good price also. And I'll show you an update on the Ultrasport bumper that I'm refinishing. This is it here. I have completed the lower portion of it and have it completely wrapped. You won't see down here once it's on the car. That's why I cut the wrap there. But that's completely finished, and this is the upper portion, which I haven't completed yet. It kind of looks like the same color because the primer is similar, but it needs some more sanding, and then I will be able to wrap it and put the lower part onto the upper part, and then I can put the grills in. And the only thing I need after that to completely finish this bumper will be the fog lights, because these ones are, it's hard to see, but they have they have lenses, but they both fell out, and then the inside chrome part has completely corroded and just cracked, so I'm gonna have to replace those, but I'm not in a rush to do that right now, so those will be replaced in the future though. I will be recording when I take this out and put it on the Audi. I also have some headlights on the way, and then the whole front end of the Audi will be pretty much finished for now. It needs new fenders because they're a bit wrecked from the previous owner, but other than that, it'll be pretty good. Okay, so I got too excited and I threw together the bumper quick temporarily. It's not screwed together or anything, so it's not sitting perfectly, but I wanted to see what the grills looked like in the bumper. And yeah, obviously the upper part of the bumper isn't wrapped yet, so the gray looks a little different, but I'm really happy with these grills. They fit perfectly and they look awesome. Sorry, the bumper's upside down because that's the only way it sits on the ground. But the chrome looks nice. And this lower grille also matches the upper grille that I already have on the car. And yeah, the fog lights will make it look much better once they're in. What's up guys? So today the rest of my parts came in. Well, it's only one more part, but now I have everything that I wanted for the spring to finish the front end of the Audi off. So I got, obviously I showed the bumper already with all the grills, but I got these headlights. I Found them on Kijiji actually. They're by Xenon, so they look a little bit different than the ones I had before. They have a round side marker, and they actually use ballast, and yeah, are Xenon obviously. Unfortunately, I didn't realize they didn't have the ballast, so I'm gonna have to pick those up, which aren't exactly cheap, but hopefully I can find some for a decent price, and then those will be ready to go in. And these are just headrests for the back seats. They're out of a B7 A4. So as you can see, they kind of hook around the seat a bit more than the B6 ones just sit on top. So my friends actually got those from a scrapyard, but they're in good shape. No tears or scratches or anything on them. So, like I said before, these are by Xenon headlights. So they're supposed to have a ballast under here, which you can't really see. But it didn't come with it, so I pulled the projector out and replaced it with the halogen one. And rewired up the plug that fits the halogen bulb, and now this headlight fits halogen instead of by Xenon. They're just Xenon. Obviously I'm not finished this yet, still has exposed wire on it, but I'm not 100% sure if this will work, but I'm pretty sure it will. This is just 12 volt supply, so it should work with the headlight without having any issues. So I'll do an update when I install them and let you guys know if this works.